What's up, everybody? Pete up back here. We're 2 days away from the 4th of July. Happy holiday, everybody. Stay out of trouble. We're going to be doing breaks on 4th of July, too. It's going to be fun. We're going to have some specials. I'm special. That is full. Here is our 6-box NFL mixer that we are doing. Let's roll the dice. See how many times we're going to randomize. Hard 4. Coming out. Hard 4. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. All right. It's coming along really well, Tennessee. I really think we'll be able to rip it after this. We still got Inception, too. I think we can get it all done tonight, y'all. It's only 9:20. Shake it up. All right, I'm going to go through the names of the players. Let me know if you're supposed to have more than the spots you see, or if I didn't get you on the list. So please, please, please pay close attention. P doubles, J Weebel, Nora W. Stu Fan with 2. Woo! 342. Bull Tull. Sticks. Shy Kings. Bull Tull. Booze. B Sherman 74. Wormus. Chris Hall with 2. Cajun Loop Bob with 2. Rocket Dog 19. Twin Dad. Patriot. My man in AK. Grabbing 6. On deck 7. P Dubs. Muzzy 27. Rocket Dog 19. Shy Kings. Chris Hall and Webb Jr. Rounds us out. Is everybody cool? Let me know, let me know. All right, Tennessee, we just gonna crank MOJO here while you doing that. Is that deal? Deal, brother. All right, let's do it. Hard 4 coming out 4 times on the names. Here we go. Whoa, need that list back. There it is. And here we are. I'll go back to the top. Show everybody. 4 times. Good luck. Here we go. Number 1. Stu Fan at the top. Bull Tull at the bottom. 2. Shy Kings. Patriot. 3. Shy Kings. Cajun. Alright. 4th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and MOJO 4 times. Patriot at the top. B Sherm 74 at the bottom. This is 4 times. Let me get the entire list on the screen. Hopefully it'll focus for us. Yay! Alright, give me a couple seconds, copy and paste. Bold 14. Right. Let's do the teams. Hopping 4 times. All teams are in. Go through them from the top. Alphabetical. And there they all are. All the way down to them skins. 4 times. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 1. My dirty birds at the top. Chiefs at the bottom. 2. 3. 4th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC loving Mojo 4 times. Cowboys at the top. Packers at the bottom 4 times. Get the entire list in screen. There we go. Alright, don't forget this spans 2011 to 2014, so don't just think it's 2014 stuff. There's a lot possible in this mixer. A lot. 14. Print is the Shields nil. All right. Mookie Betts, hell yeah. Well, you gotta get out of the damn seat, man. Oh, it's doing it again. Damn. I've got to figure out why this freaking printer is doing this. It's pissing me off. I'll run through it on the screen, but I got to write them down. It cut off at 25 again. Bunk ass fucking. I'm sorry. Actually, let me go through everybody's teams first. I'm sorry. I'm sitting here writing it down. I should have gone through them from the start. I'm sorry. Here we go. Patriot, Cowboys, Dolphins, Nora with the Bengals, Shy Kings, Rams, Bull Chargers, On Deck, Panthers, Patriot, Falcons, and Cardinals, Wormus, Titans, Shy Kings, the Browns, Twin Dad, Jaguars, P Doubles, Jets, Stu Fan, Bucks, Cajun with the Texans, Patriots. Well done, sir. Chris Hall with the Saints, Rocky Dog with the Seahawks, Jay Weebell with the Colts, Muzzy with the Broncos, Chris Hall with the Raiders and the Bills, Cajun with the Steelers, Woo 342 with the G-Men, Stu Fan with the Bears, Rocky Dog, Lions, Webb Jr. with the Redskins, Bull Tull Ravens, Booze with the Chiefs, Sticks with the Vikings, P-Dubs with the Niners, Patriot with the Eagles, Sherm 74 with the Packers. And let me write them all down at the bottom of the list. I'm about to take a damn hammer to that printer I've got. It pisses me off. Like, how lame. Alright, again, I apologize for the list looking like this, but
or if it's because it's Chrome and not Internet Explorer. There we go. All right. About 4 minutes. About 4 minutes to trade. You hear that? That's the nasty coming. I hear it. Inception. Let's see. We're down to 16 in the Bowman half case and 17 left in Inception. 17 Inception, 16 in the second half of the Bowman half case. Woohoo! Thank you, Lake. Inception. 1 to 16. Woo! Looking for some Chris Bryant action. I know I am. That ain't no doubt. No doubt. All right. I've got a random array of top loaders ready. I might have to do it after they're all ripped, but any trades? Any trades? Did you, Lake? Hell yeah! What'd you get him? What'd you get him to sign? Cards or baseball? A ball and a stub. Hell yeah, dude. Definitely. Definitely. Oh, booze. I can't do that. Yeah. If yeah, that's I'm hoping there's a cam in there. But booze. If any Chiefs come out, I mean, if any Niners come out, obviously besides a cam, Colin, we'll work. We'll work. Yeah, cam. All right, let's see. We'll do one Hot Rookies first, then we'll do 2011 playbook, and then we'll do 2013 black, then we'll do another Hot Rookies, then 2012 black, and then the mini. So we'll do this, and then there to there. Groovy? Groovy? I like it. Let's get funky. Good luck, everybody. I'm seeing no trades. No trades, right? No trades. Yeah, there's the web. That's that I always talk about. The random group breaks, you got to win 2 battles. The first is the randomizing. If you get the Cubs, you win. You've won the randomizing. But then the second battle is actually getting the damn Bryant to come out of that case. Jesus Christ, I saw Big Hurt last night. He pulled numbered 5 of 5 triple auto, triple relic of the Cubs, and it had Solar, Chris Bryant, and the Alcantara guy. All 3 color patches, numbered 5 of 5. It was absolutely stunning. It was disgusting. And live, not actually, since we're on topic, there it is from my man Lake Sports. That's what he did. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. That's badass, Lake. I'm glad he was a cool dude. I'm assuming he was cool. Alright. Here we go. Nothing too crazy in these. I'll stop it. There's Russell Wilson, 54 of 99. Brent Selleck, 45 of 99. Chris Johnson, that'll go to the Jets. Everything will ship from these. Nothing too crazy out of there. Let me just get top sleeves on these. I'll top load the Russell. I'll top load the Russell Wilson. Number 99 on this. That's what we do. Alright, here comes rookies pack. This one we have not had the hot pack yet. Here it is. Hot pack! Hot pack! Every card in here will be numbered to 99 or less. 65 of 99, Connor Shaw. Trevor Riley, 90 of 99. Isaiah Crowell, number 27 of 50. Marcus Joyner for the Rams, 69 of 79. Xavier Suafilo, 8 of 99. Derek Carr, numbered 10 of 99. Not bad. Pretty sweet. Trent Murphy, numbered 2 of 20. 2 of 20. Allen Robinson for the Jags, 32 of 50. Logan Thomas, 30 of 35, artist proof for the Cardinals. And Bishop Sankey, 83 of 99. So, there you go. That is what a hot pack is. Shake it up. Here's our relic auto. Good luck, buddy. Saints, Brothers in Arms. Saints, Drew Brees. Packers, Brothers in Arms. Brandon Marshall, Airmail. And for those Chiefs, look at that. Booze. Wanted to trade him away. Hits a Nile Davis. Shake it up. Heck yeah. My 55s. Here we go. 800. Yep. Alright, rookie autos. Good luck. Let's get nasty. Wow, old school. He was from 2011 or 2012 rookie class. David DeCastro for the Steelers. And very nice for the Raiders, Khalil Mack. That's numbered 64 of 99 for the Raiders. Chris Hall, nice hit, man. And for the Redskins, Trent Murphy, purple, 41 of 50. For the Redskins, Webb Jr. Can a brother get a hit, please? Say what? And that was box number 1. Top load all these sick hits. I think Khalil Mack is going to be one of those guys. I really do. You know, those guys. Let me get this David DeCastro top loaded, but give me a sec. I'll get that David DeCastro top loaded. I think we all need beer. Round of beers for the whole group break. Let's do it. 2013 black. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Get the brick. Nothing else in there. Pull these straight off the top. Here we go. Lance Briggs, 386 to 399 for the Bears. Ndamukong Suh, 182 of 399 for the Lions. Zach Sudfeld for the Jets, 230 of 399. Jeff Toole, 395 of 399. He's a tool. All right. For the Browns, Jordan Poyer, 327 to 399. And for the Ravens, Joe Flacco, 35 of 49. 35 of 49. Woo! Had the Giants. I just tabbed that. Woo got the Giants. Still got it. It's logged. It's on lockdown. This one's pretty nasty though. For the Jets, Gino, 51 of 99. Kind of a, yeah, he went all the way down the side of the card on that. On the auto. For the Jets, P doubles. Wow. Shake it up. Oh, I know what that means. I know that means. Think Giants. Think Giants. Got a pretty nice hit coming up here. Let's see who has this team. Not too bad. For the Dolphins, the jersey card, Mike Gillisley. These are tough pulls. These are very tough pulls. And they're tough to get a focus on too, obviously. Patriot, shake it up. Let's see. 33. Damn, he's jersey number 35. It's 33 of 99. Very cool. I started out trying to PC those, trying to get the whole set, and I failed miserably. Back to back for the Dolphins. Caleb Sturgis, number 12 of 199. Patriot. Shake it up. Kicker Mojo. Kicker Mojo. Oh, wow. That's freaking nasty. Von Miller. 4 of 25. Good night. That thing is sick. There's like, do you see it right here on the white? I don't know if that was like part of a signature or something, but there's something in there. Something hiding. You might want to pull the. We should, you know, when you get the card, you might want to pull it up, pull it open, see what it is. Bong water. For the G-Man, we thought Giants. Here are the Giants. 213 and 299. One color tampon, but it's a Giants hit. Warming up. We're warming up. Gotta crawl before you walk. Dude, that Von Miller is nasty. So nasty. Alright. For the Bears, Julius Peppers. Metal Captain's card. For the Bears. Stufan. Shake it up. Alright. Do a little more. 2014. Let's get the new-ish. And then a little bit of main event time. We'll do this, then we'll do the playbook, then we'll do 2012. Let's get something fucking disgusting in here. Come on, hot rookies. Give it to us. Give it to them. Give it here. Don't say nothing. Just give it here. How are you feeling used? Terrell Suggs, 74 of 99. Jermaine Gresham's 11 of 50. Woo! Alright, rookie pack. Let's see who we got. Logan Thomas, Jeremy Hill, LaDamian Washington for the Cowboys, artist proof, 24 of 35. Coney Ely, Sammy Watkins, Marcus Robertson. Oh, Giant football! Giant football. Followed by Michael Sam, David Fales, Kevin Norwood. Good old Johnny Douchebag. Alright. Here we go. Shady McCoy. Brothers in Arms Texans. Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. Let's go into the Redskins. Brothers in Arms Saints. And for the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar. Shake it up. Patriot. Rolling. Auto rookies. Come on. We had Khalil Mack in the first one, so not too bad. That's a really good one. For the Steelers, Dry Archer, numbered 10 of 10. You can see it there. It is 10 of 10. That's a nice Steelers hit. Shake it is. Cage and Lou Bob. Another to go with your purple to 50. Yeah, Trent Murphy again. And for my Dirty Birds, Yawin Smallwood. Wowza. But there was a Dry Archer numbered 10 of 10 in that pack, so give those last two the benefit of the doubt there. Oh, wow. Wow. Booze. That just changes my whole outlook on the season. Man. Guess there's no reason to watch now, huh? All right, playbook time. Come on, Kaepernick. Or just anything crazy and nasty. Maybe a little Cam. Ooh. A little Cam. AJ Green up in this bitch. A little Julio redemption that you ain't gonna get a Julio for. The booklet. Skinny. Checklist. Skinny. Skinny. Alright. The overpackaging continues in Playbook. This is where it all began. Good luck, everybody. We do love some Playbook. For the Kansas City Chiefs, Tony Moyaki. Booze is like, in your face, P doubles, in your face. Not yet on deck. We trying. 82 of 99. If these damn Chiefs would stop, maybe there would be a Panthers hit. You know? For Seattle Seahawks, Dougie Baldwin, rookie auto. Very cool. And that is numbered 126 of 299. Going to Rocky Dog. Shoot, anybody out of 2011 rookie, if they're still in the league, in good shape. That's kind of cool. Seen a lot of his autographs, not a lot of his jersey stuff. Alan Page for the Vikings. Hall of Famer. I know guys who like Vikings like him a lot. 35 of 49. Yeah, there's not a lot of his stuff out there like that. For the Vikings. Sticks. Shake it up. And our booklet. Rookie auto. Good luck. I hope it is nasty. I hope it's nasty. Oh! Number 14 of 399. 14 of 399. What number does this guy wear? What jersey does this guy wear? 14. Andy Dalton, 3-color. Woo! Man, that is sick. I'm sorry, but that is sick. And numbered to his jersey. Wow. Nora W. Some of them are going. 14 of 399. AJ. Andy Dalton. Jersey number booklet. Hells yeah. With his real signature. Not that compacted one now. Alright. That was pretty fucking sick. Yes, that was an eBay 1 of 1, Wormus. You damn right that's an eBay 1 of 1. That's his jersey number, son. Well, shit, out of the first box from that case of Playbook, we pulled the Tim Tebow numbered 15 of 25. You know what that is? Jersey number. Shake it up. So many eBay 101s. Wormus can't keep up with all of them. Seems to be where people can make a couple extra bucks. Why not? Alright. So that goes there. These and there. I'm gonna put a dummy on the bottom because they're upside down. So I'm just gonna. That's a dummy card on the bottom. We'll just take them right off the top. 2012 rookie. That one ain't too bad for the Panthers. Luke Kuechly. 171 of 349. I was hoping that would be a little shorter print. That nebbit. For the Ravens, Bobby Rainey, rookie. For the Giants, Hakeem Nicks. And this should be our RPA. Broncos have a break. Ronnie Hillman. Pretty card. 3-color. Them Broncos. Muzzy. That's number 238 of 349. 238 of 349. And that is prime, I would say. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, this, yeah, with the 2013 Von Miller patch, that's a pretty sick little Broncos lot right there. All right. Darren McFadden for the Raiders. For the Ravens and the Steelers, Anquan Bolden and Ike Taylor. That'll be randomed if nobody wants to say, hey, Ravens can have that card, or hey, Steelers can have that card. Larry Fitzgerald. Shake it up, shake it up. 42, 349, and we got him. 2 RPAs in this, and we got Egnude. So, if anybody's unfamiliar, if you're just coming into the hobby in 2013 or this year, that's what getting Egnude is. That's an Egnu. Look at that beautiful signature that we saw all effing year long in 2012. Ugh. For the Dolphins, 38 of 349. And that says prime. Says it's prime. It's 1 color. But we got 2 RPAs out of it. So, yeah, thank you, Egnu. For the Lions, Bill Bentley. Yeah, prime-ish. 141 of 199 for the Lions. Rocket Dog. This one was good for a minute. Bobby Rainey. Oh, God. Please let the next card be autographed. Please let the next card be autographed. Fuck, let the next card be autographed. 153 of 199. Fuck. Woo! AP all day. Adrian Peterson to my man Sticks. Congratulations. Disgusting. Disgusting. 21 of 25. And I saw that it didn't have the word prime under it. And I was like, please, please, please. I didn't see marks of distinction, but I was like, please be autographed. Boom. That is a mixer. Final card of the break. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Number 20 of 99. 20 of 99. That's a good 25. All right, main event time. We still got a mini helmet, y'all. Wormus, I like that. That's good. See, is that guy any good? 28? Good luck, everybody. Thank you all for jumping in the break. Always special. We pulled a Geno Smith, an Adrian Peterson, Andy Dalton booklet, Here we go. Good luck, everybody. God, I love this guy. Love this guy. J. Weebeld had it pegged. Hall of Famer Bruce Smith. Going to the Bills. Chris Hall. Chris Hall, my man. Very nice. Bruce Smith. Very sick. Hells yeah. Congrats. Nice, 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 nice. What a break. What a break. Damn. Alright. So yeah, 2012 Black did us pretty well. The first box we opened we had a Doug Martin RPA, 3-color, disgusting. AP out of that box, number to 25. Solid. Good work, everybody. Thank you all for jumping in and helping us fill. If we didn't get any hits for you this time, we'll work on it. We'll get it. Try to get it next time. Crank up that mojo. Give me about 20 seconds. I will be right back. Screen will go black, but I will be back.